Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and today we have a 1974 to 1975 Kawasaki S3 400cc front wheel. This is an original Kawasaki wheel that has been rebuilt. It's an original rim. It's not absolutely perfect because it is a used rim, but it is an original rim with a date code of 4H. So if you're looking for a match for a particular bike to get that somewhere in the production range, this hub has been cleaned, vapor blasted, powder coated, reassembled with new bearings and seals and new old stock genuine Kawasaki spokes. So this is all 100% made up with Kawasaki parts. It's not, no aftermarket parts as far as the rim and the spokes and the hub. Those are all genuine Kawasaki. And it's on the balancer so you can see it's straight and true. So this is ready to mount a tire and be put on your motorcycle. Great for a nice restoration or a rider. This will be on our e-store. Thanks for watching.